Hello, Mr. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, sir. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Almighty Allah, I am fine.
Okay, sir. Sir, can I please ask you a quick question?
It's my pleasure. Please ask any question you like.
Thank you. So for a minute, just think you have two friends, and one of them is telling you that I'm in the hospital, and the other one is telling that I am at the hospital. So whom do you prefer to visit first?
Thank you for your question. I think I would like to visit the person who is at the hospital.
Okay, so you're partially correct, but in this case, normally I am in the hospital means I am in the hospital and I'm hospitalized, and suddenly I'm sick. And I'm at the hospital means I'm in the hospital, but I'm gone there for visit someone. অর্থাৎ in the hospital যদি আমি বলি সেই ক্ষেত্রে আমি মিন করি যে আমি হসপিটালে আছি এবং আমি এখানে অসুস্থ ভাবে মানে হসপিটালে আছি। যদি আমি at the hospital বলি সেই ক্ষেত্রে বোঝাবে যে আমি হসপিটালে আছি কিন্তু আমি কাউকে ভিজিট করতে আসছি। ওকে?
Okay, sir, I understand. Thank you
থ্যাংক
for
ইউ।
the explanation.
ইয়া ওয়েলকাম।